So, good morning, everyone. At this lesson, you will do the following tasks. So, first one is that you will read and fill in the net words where appropriate. Consider the resources which help Mark Zuckerberg be successful. So, you will use these words in the text. Yes. So, after reading, you will read the information from this exercise, and you'll find homophones and homographs in the text for the words below, and you will complete the table. So you'll read attentive what is homographs and homophones, and the last one, the homework, is to write the summary of this text. So, I wish you good luck.